So guys, this is the interface of the cheap app. In this app, you can fund your wallet, you can buy airtime, you can buy a bundle, you can even use it to transfer money, and it has a referral program. So in this video, I'm going to practically show you how to do all these things. Okay. Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Read Concept TV. Into this video, I'm going to practically show you how to use the cheaper app. The cheaper app is like the branch app. You can use it to recharge, you can use it to pay your bills. It also has a referral program. So in this video, I'm going to practically show you how to download the app, how to install it on your phone, and how to start making money with it. Okay, so welcome back. So the first thing you need to do is, when you go to your Google Play Store, this is my Google Play Store. I'll click on my Google Play Store. So first and foremost, we need to download the app. It's very, very important. We need to download the app. So, and we come to the search bar, we type cheaper, C-H-I, cheaper, E-R, we type cheaper. We click on the search bar, and this is the app, cheaper app, cheaper cash. So we'll come to this place that says install. So we need to install the app. We need to download the app. The app, as you can see, the cheaper cash app is about 32 MB. So let's just wait for it to load. Okay, the app is still downloading, so let's just still wait for it. When 99%, we are almost done. So we just give it a while. So the app has finished downloading. So now it is automatically installing itself. So welcome back. As you can see, the installation is over. So now I can decide to open the app directly from my Play Store, but I don't want to do that. Let me go back to my phone, and then when I show you the app, then I'll now set up the account. The app, the cheaper cash app, the one that I just downloaded from my phone. So now let me open the app and start to do the setup, because just like I said. So now I click on cheaper app, now beginning to open. So let's just give it a while for the app to be opened. Okay, now the app has opened. Now what do you do now? Welcome to cheaper, the borderless way to move money across town. So now what do? Now I come to get, it says open free account. You click, I want you to watch at the direction of my mouse. It's very, very easy. Open free account. I have an account because of we are newly. I'll show you how to create a free account. So we'll now click on open free account. Then what do we do now? We have to add our phone number to it. So just like I said, I'm using my phone number. I don't want to use my email. So I'll now click on next. So I'll just click on next. Now as you can see, please enter the 6-digit code we sent. So a kind of an OTP code will be sent to the phone number that I just entered. So I'll just wait for the OTP code to arrive. Then I'll now input it. And they say that the OTP code is about a 6-digit figure. So now it's like it has arrived. So I'll just be patient with it. Now as you can see, an OTP code has been sent to my phone, and the OTP code is 809258. So now I'll come here and I will put the OTP code. So I'll now tap on this thing now. So now it prompted me to another thing. What is your primary purpose of using cheaper app? To buy airtime, savings, business activities. Well, I think all these things are very nice, but I'll just tell them to buy or sell investment. You can just click anyone you prefer. Okay, I don't think it's all that important. Or you can say, let me just click on savings, but you know the one you want to do. Okay, So I'll just click on, okay, let me just click on to do business activities. Then after that, I'll now click on next. Now it's demanding I should type in enter your legal first name and last name. So you can see I just entered my first name and my last name. Then I click on next. It's very easy. When it's your birthday, it's asking for my birthday. Let me just input my birthday. Okay, I'll now input my date of birth and I hit OK. Look at it. Then I'll now hit OK. So it's asking me choose a cheaper tag, your unique name for getting paid by anyone. Let me just choose it. Let me just type rich. So I'm just choosing it. So they asked me to choose a unique tag in case I want to get paid by anyone. So I just choose it. Then I'll now hit on next. So now, what is your living address? So in this place now, I have to add up my address. Okay, I have to add up my address. So I'll just type in my address here. So let me pause this video and type my address here. Okay, so in this place I just type in the name of my hometown in Anambra State, and it automatically selects a kind of pre already installed address. I'll just click on the first one, Abatete Road. Then look at what it's telling me. Please add any extra details to this information. I don't know. Click on next. So now it's telling me I should enter. Please tell us your nationality. So in this place I have to enter my country, my city of birth, and my country of birth. So I just entered my country of birth, my city of birth, my place of birth, then my gender. I'll now hit on next. That is how easy it is. So here they are demanding I should set in a 4 unique digit kind of 4-digit pin. So I just tap in the 4-digit pin that I'll be using to transact. That 4-digit pin is like kind of my ATM pin in this app. And after typing it, they're asking me I should retype it again for accuracy. So I'll still pause this video and retype the 4-digit pin that I've just entered in this app. As you can see, setting up your account for the first time. So after confirming the 4-digit pin again, so the app is now setting up your account for the first time. That is how easy it is. As you can see, we are glad to have you to join our cheaper community and every other things. So hi, is it good? So I'll just thank you for choosing. I don't want to reply on them. See what is hello is Chuku. We are glad to have you to join our community and other things. Your account is currently limited to these features: local money transfer to friends, family, airtime, and other things. So because we just added just few information here. So in order for us, I think there are a lot of features in this app. For they say unlock all features including international transfer. So now for this, I think let me unlock some of the features to see what they will still demand. Okay, so I think let me hit on here that says unlock to unlock some of the features to know what the kind of requirement they will still demand from me. So let me just unlock it. Let me click on unlock. So under the unlock some of the features here, to proceed, Chipper must collect additional information to compare with your local regulator. Verify your Chipper account to be able to send and receive money. So no come here that says because of wanted to verify more, wanted to unlock more features on this app. So I'll come to this place and say verify my account. You may experience some challenges while attempting to verify your account with a video. Our team is working, so I'll just click OK. So enter a cheaper pin. I'll just enter I'll pause the video and enter my cheaper pin. Okay. So I deliberately click not now. So by the time this is the app now, I want you to watch at the direction of my mouse. Okay, in this app now, you can add your phone, you can add cash to your wallet, you can buy airtime, you can buy bundles. There are so many things you can do now, but for the sake of this video tutorial, I will show you how to earn, how to start earning. Now when you click to here, that if you come to here that says earn, I want you to watch the direction of my mouse. I want you to watch at my mouse here that says earn. Now you see, before you start earning, before a referral code will be given to you, you have to complete all the registration process. It is very, very important. So that is why, so before a referral code will be assigned to your account, then you have to do all the requirements. So now come here that says get started, earn with friends. Then we'll come to that place, we click on get started. You see, proceed, cheaper. They come to here and say verify account. You click on it. Let's do it. You click on let's do it. So by the time we click on let's do it, then the camera, there is an automated camera inside the app, inside the cheaper app, that will take a picture of your face. Then after the camera have captured your face, it will upload your face inside their system. This is being done to prevent scam. Okay, then after that, an option will pop out where you have to add your BVN. Okay, so now I was unable to record it because the app does not allow me to record that aspect where my face have to be captured. Okay, so if you click on it, on let's do it, the camera will capture your face and upload it into their system. Okay.